Look what Karina did. Look, he's so dumb. She almost ran into it.
Dude, don't, Christina.
Why?
You better not show Daddy or Mama.
I won't.
Because I'm gonna be in so much trouble, dude.
It's your freaking fault you did it. Move the carpet, obviously.
Why
Duh.
don't you help me, obviously?
Because you did this. No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Go open the dryer.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
I'm in so much trouble. We can't tell Daryl. No. Hey, Daryl, help me. Hurry up, open it. Oh no, no. Oh my god. I know, I'm so lazy.
Oh my god. You freaking are.
Hurry up.
Hold on, jeez.
Dude, the water's gonna go through.
Karina, hold on.
When did you find this out?
When I got up.
When was that?
Like 5 minutes ago.
Dude, why didn't you call me?
I had nothing to call you with. I was panicking and I just got off the computer like, Karina, no! And then I'm like, she's here.
You're so mad.
Lucky.
Oh my god.
God.
I need a cup.
Open the dishwasher.
Okay.
Stupid.
Rinse it off.
Stupid.
A freaking shark. How the heck do I clean this off? There's so much bubbles. Scoop it up.
No, why are you gonna do that? If you're gonna scoop it up, pick up use a bigger spoon. Just get the blow dryer. Get the blow dryer.
No.
Go get the blow dryer.
No.
That's a little bit stupid.
We don't have a giant spoon, FYI.
You can use a spatula. It's not gonna go through.
Lucky! It's hard. The garage is open.
I know. Can you grab her?
No.
At least bro, freaking shoot her!